Welcome to 80 Player Circle, located in Society Hill at Tinton Falls. This fabulous 2-bedroom, 2-full-bath, upper-level condo features an open floor plan, vaulted ceilings with skylights, and an outdoor balcony deck. There's engineered hardwood floors throughout the main living space. The kitchen is recently updated with custom cabinets, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. The kitchen leads right into the living room with a wood-burning fireplace and entrance to the outdoor balcony deck, just perfect for that morning coffee. Down the hallway, you'll find the 2 bedrooms, the 2 full bathrooms, and the laundry room. Here on the left is the guest bedroom. The large master suite is the perfect place to relax. There's an oversized walk-in closet with plenty of shelving and storage. There's a large ensuite bathroom with a shower stall with glass doors. The main bathroom is centrally located. It has a tub with shower and ceramic tile walls. And a great bonus is in-unit laundry. Thank you for touring 80 Player Circle in Tinton Falls, New Jersey. In-person tours are available by appointment.